This is the Ikea boss. 499 for 3 hours, but they say we're going to see how expensive it's going to be. This is the sofa. It's very big. It's just the two of us to remove it right now. This is a very good deal, but I'm not sure how we're going to carry this. It's very different. Some people will say this is a heater. Heater is a summer house. Some people will say this is a heater sofa. But for me, I don't think so. I like when things are a little bit different. So that's why I bought this one. This sofa we bought on discount. The original price of this sofa that we bought was 36,000 krona. Guys, 36,000 krona. That is about $3,600. It's a lot of money. For me, maybe for you, it's a piece of cake. Well, we got a deal, so we bought this sofa. Anyway, what has happened is we bought one sofa first and we didn't like it because the under was looking very used. We returned it. Thank God for the shops here in Norway, and the guy kind of understood why we didn't want that sofa. So they gave us a new one. They picked that old one up and they brought a new one. Let's unpack this baby girl. We are just coming from one of my favorite shop here in Norway, my favorite furniture shop, to pick up our sofa. Yes guys, we bought our sofa a while ago. We got very good discount. I'm the queen of discount sales. Do you know that here in Norway you can rent a transport car from Ikea for 3 hours or 6 hours, carry your stuff, put them at home, bring the car back. It's quite cheap to rent the car than to hire a transport company, but you also need to have time. And remember, things can be heavy. You got to save some money. Ikesant. Hello guys, this is the dance you do when you bought a new sofa. Hey, gonna be starting something. Okay, we bought a new sofa. This sofa is 36,000 Norwegian krona. It's 3,600 euro or dollars. Guys, I love a good discount. We got it on discount because they said the company that is making the sofa, they're kind of going out of stock. Maybe the sofa is just too expensive. So that particular boutique is called Shida. Thumbs up for Shida in whole, man. They are very, very good. I'm a very good customer there. So I went there and spoke to them. They sold me the first sofa, and the under of that first sofa was not looking very good. So we went back, we complained, and they said, okay, don't worry, we'll give you a new one straight from the store. What is that for in store? They are going to give me a new one straight from the store because the other one was looking really used, even though it was a sample piece in the shop that we bought. When we came home, we opened, we looked under, we were like, nah, it's on. But we went to talk to them and they understood, so they gave us this one. Guys, let's unpack the baby girl. Sofa is just one of those things, you know, that you do not buy very often. You buy sofa once in a while. We had two guys carrying this sofa into the house yesterday. Last time, when we bought the first one, we brought it in here ourselves, and it was a nightmare, guys. Even when they came yesterday, we had to help them to tell them how to carry the sofa in because they could not understand themselves. They managed to break something on the wall. We are good people, and we say to them it's okay. They're like, oops, we break something. Maybe they were afraid we're going to ask them to pay. Then why making problem with people from the transport company? They are just working so hard. So we are not troublemakers. We are peacemakers. Or we would like to sue somebody from the transport company for some small damage they do in your house, and you see that they are trying so hard, carrying things that are like 125 kg. No, I don't want to make any problem for them. So I say it's okay. And that is how they left, and we are going to try to fix. Is this thing the break? This one in the other side. It's called liste in Norwegian. This sofa is so rare. Okay. My God. It's packed like this just in case it's raining. And I understand because yesterday it was raining. Imagine if they didn't do a good job packing it. Okay. You know what, guys? Wait a minute. Come back when I finish unpack it. It's like a bunker where people go and hide during the war so they do not get the atom bomb or whatever you call it. Oh my god, I have never seen anything so well protected in my life. Ta-da! Here comes the bride. She's beautiful. This is not easy, oh. Guys, my nails are long. For the first time, I did long nails like this. And it's killing me, oh. It's painful. It's frustrating. It's irritating. So, you see, this is my chair. Our sofa is here. Our sofa is here. Not be small. Okay. Girl is very strong. There's one hole under anyway. There's a hole under. One.
Zip.
Look at that. Oi. Then find a better position for you. Okay. The chair is here. Guys, we're having a little bit of problem here. Because the first one we bought, why we returned it was because of this. It was many of them. But now we see it's 1 year. I think the weakness of this chair is this. This is too low, so anything that goes under here, we easily tear this bottom part. This cascade, there and lead in that some being there. Oh, so what we are going to do, we are going to do it. We are going to try to change the leg, because here, you know, I think Ikea and some other shops you can buy feet like this. They sell them. So we are going to buy another feet and we're going to add it on this, yes, and change it. So let me put it down so you guys can see. I think it looks like a design sofa. Actually, it's a design sofa because it's freaking cold. My daughter do not like it, she said. But
you manage alone?
yes, I manage.
Strong lady. Let me come.
Don't worry. I've done this many times before.
Wow.
Slowly.
Passport.
Son.
Wow.
It's down. Another one bite the dust. Oh my god, guys. If I tell you that I've done this unboxing before, this is the second time I'm doing this. So the sofa is coming with these ones. I'm not sure if you have to put it like that. It's up to you. I think so. Yeah. And then 2 more smaller pillows. And this. Ta-da! This is the sofa. God alone know if Peter has captured the last part where I was sitting this. I doubt it. Babe, did you?
Yes, I did. It's all on this.
Oh my god, look at that girl. She's pretty, isn't she?
Yes.
She's so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. The coffee tastes better on my new sofa. Guys, you know what? I'm one of those girls who love discount sales. If I want to buy something, I'm going to every shop there is in Oslo, Sandvika, Asker, everywhere, even Drammen sometimes, just to make sure I get the best deal. There is never a day in my 100 years living in Norway that I've bought a sofa, a dining table, or any furniture in my house on full price. Not my television, nothing. I'm always looking for a discount. If I want something, I don't care. I'm waiting 6 months to get a discount, a rabat. Jeg elsker salg. Feel free to criticize my sofa. Tell me what you think. Do you think this is supposed to be in a summer house, as we call it in Norway, hytta? Do you think it's a hytta sofa, or do you think you can put it in your house? Feel free to criticize and tell me your opinion. You are welcome. And guys, what are you waiting for? Press the like button. Follow us. It only helps to grow this channel. This is a family channel, by the way. So all the families gather here. Let's have some fun. Bye guys.